Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called infinite loading. Businesses need to plan for expansion in their capacity to meet the growing need of their customer. However, what is infinite loading and how it can help business owners better their resources is what we are going to see here. Two types of capacity planning are finite capacity planning and infinite capacity planning or loading. Both systems have their benefits and drawbacks. Depending on resources available, companies can implement any one of this method. Infinite capacity planning is a method of production planning that shows the load on the resource of a work center is over or under the available capacity in a given period. It is a method of production planning that shows the maximum amount of product that can be produced over a given period, even if the demand for the product were to increase or decrease. This type of planning is used when there is an uncertainty about future demand for the product. It allows businesses to plan for larger production volume than what may be required in the short term if demand increases. An example of a business with infinite loading is an online retail supplier. The retailer may have finite stock, but its loading is infinite because new stock can be ordered as soon as it is sold. Therefore, a retailer needs to consider the maximum rate at which orders can be placed and ensure that sufficient stock is available to process and dispatch those orders. Example of businesses with finite loading are software developers, automobile manufacturer, and construction industries. Benefits of infinite loading could be it helps identify uneven workload, it helps to change the work schedule to balance the resource requirement. Infinite loading helps employees to achieve a balanced work schedule by identifying overworked and underutilized resources. For example, if one person has been working 60 hours per week for the past 3 months, but their colleagues only worked 40 hours each, this might be a sign that something needs to change. This might mean that Division A needs additional assistant who can help out on various projects during part-time shifts so they don't burn out too quickly. Thanks for watching. Bye.